This entire horizontal scroll website is built using AI tools, free AI tools. Look at this. The hero section is fully animated with the Greek god sequence playing when you scroll. And the website itself is horizontal scrolling like cinematic slides. And the crazy part is I use free tools. So let me show you the step-by-step way of how I created everything, also making use of the Antigravity 2.0 to make everything together. So let's go. Using a single prompt, I built this entire website. I'm gonna show you the result. So this entire website is built using single prompt, and the hero section is completely empty to add the animation that you really like. And here I'm going to just scroll down and show you what makes this website unique. So it's not a scroll down website, it's a horizontal scrolling website. When we scroll down, you can see things are going horizontal, like each section is horizontal. And as you can see, the images are popping up. Here you can add your own custom images. All the sections are horizontally arranged so that it look premium and unique. And now we're gonna add the animation. That's what we're gonna do. So first we need an idea for animation. So for that I'm gonna be using Pinterest, and I'm gonna just search, like I'm thinking about adding a Greek aesthetic, and that's already in my search list. Tab here, and then we need to scroll down and find something that will create an idea in your mind. After searching a while, I found this image. So I'm thinking about creating an image similar to this as frames and create animations. So I'm gonna just download this image. Let's download image. Now let's go to ChatGPT and create the images. So right now I'm in ChatGPT, and here I'm gonna just paste the prompt. This is the first frame creating prompt. I have added the reference we have downloaded from Pinterest, enter. And just like that, we built the start frame. So this is the start frame looks like. So I changed the ratio to widescreen, and it changed the ratio, and this is the start frame looks like. I'm gonna just download it. Now let's create the second frame, and here I'm gonna just paste the prompt. This will create the second frame, and I'm gonna add the reference image to enter. So this is the result we got, and this is our second frame. It's taking the arrow and making a shot, and I'm gonna change the ratio to widescreen, and when it's done, we got the last frame. Now in our hands we have the start frame and end frame. So then new project, and then I'm gonna wait. It's showing things. What's next? Okay, and then I'm gonna add the start frame and end frame. Here select the start frame, going for the arrow, and then taking a shot, and that's our start frame and the end frame. And then I'm gonna just paste the prompt. So here I'm gonna just do video, and then we have created the animation using flow, and here I'm gonna just play it. What about this one? Taking the arrow, making the shot. Okay, that's really fine. I'm gonna take this one, go here and download in 720p. If you are making a project for your client, then always go for upgrading this flow so that you can download in 4K. Here I'm gonna just download in 720p, download. Just like that, we have add the video. To convert this video to image sequence, I'm gonna just go to isGIF. So right now I'm in isGIF, and here I'm gonna just add the file here, add the EDF file, and then upload the video. That will take you to this page, and here go down and increase the frame rate to full 30, and then convert to JPG, and it's gonna create the image sequence from start to end. And all you need to do is download a zip file, then move that zip file to your public folder so that AI can analyze and add that animation in our hero section. To make the animation done using our new anti-gravity, and here I'm going to just new project folder. This is the whole code base, and I'm going to just select the folder, create. So here I'm going to just paste the prompt, and then you need to delete this one, and then add Greek god. Okay, so here I have added the file, and when we tap on it, you can see all the frames. Then I'm going to just enter. So it has created a implementation plan here. I'm going to just read it quickly, and then I'm going to just proceed. Okay, now let's open in IDE, and we have local hosted in Antigravity IDE. Yeah, we have moved from Antigravity 2.0 to Antigravity IDE with the Gemini 3.5 Flash. So I have a local host, the whole folder. I'm going to just show you, full screen it. Here you can see the first frame is popping up. Let's see if the whole animation works or not. I'm going to scroll. As you can see, the whole animation is really working, super clean, and yeah, there is a black layer here, and then it's gonna show you the horizontal scrolling, and yeah, that's it. And just like that, we built a clean, smooth animation website that can blow people's mind. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next awesome video. Thank you for watching.